Welcome to FP Markets. In this quick video tutorial, we'll be going over the steps required to make a deposit and withdraw funds via DragonPay. Firstly, you will need to log into the client portal using your email, password, and 6-digit PIN. To deposit funds via DragonPay, please select Funding on the left side menu, and then Deposit from the available drop-down options. Alternatively, you can click on the Deposit Funds button on the main page. A new window displaying all your FP Markets trading accounts will appear. You can use DragonPay to fund your FP Markets MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradingView accounts, both US dollar and euro based. Next, you will have to select the account you would like to fund. For this video, we will be choosing the CTrader account. The next step is choosing a payment method. To make a deposit via DragonPay, select the first icon on the left. Now select an amount. You can choose from one of the available amounts or enter a custom amount. For this video, we will be making a $100 deposit. So let's click on the $100 icon, and then the deposit button. Please wait a few seconds for the page to load. A pop-up with your billing information will appear. The information here has already been filled out for you. Check the information is correct and click on Deposit. Next, choose your preferred payment option and click on Proceed. Review the transaction details and click Pay Now to complete your request. Your transaction request has been received and is now being processed. These are your transaction details. Please note that depending on your payment provider, it may take up to 24 hours for the funds to appear in your trading account. Now let's conduct a withdrawal. To withdraw funds via DragonPay, we will be following the same straightforward process we did when depositing funds into the trading account. Let's go back to the client portal, log in, and select the Funding option. This time, instead of Deposit, we will choose Withdraw from the drop-down menu. In this new window, you will need to select which trading account you would like to withdraw funds from. We will be choosing CTrader. Next, choose a withdrawal method. Again, there are various methods available, but for the purposes of this video, we will be choosing DragonPay. Please note that you should always choose to withdraw funds using the same method and account you used when making a deposit. You will now have to complete the Withdrawal Fund Request form. Proceed to carefully enter all the information required here. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, select a bank from the drop-down list, and provide your account holder name and number. Once you have completed the form, click on Submit. Your withdrawal request has now been sent to the FP Markets team, who will begin processing it. Please note that depending on your bank, it may take up to 5 working days for the funds to appear in your account. Feel free to reach out to one of our customer support team members if you need any help.